What it does. Shell scripting is a way to automate tasks by writing a series of commands in a file that can be executed by the shell. Bash, born-again shell, is a popular shell used in Linux and Mac OS. A bash script can contain variables, loops, conditionals, functions, and error handling to perform complex tasks. Variables. Command/example. Breaking it down. In bash, variables are defined using the equals operator. The variable name is on the left, and the value is on the right. To access the variable, you use the dollar symbol followed by the variable name. Variables can be used to store strings, numbers, or other values. Common mistakes. Forgetting to use the dollar symbol when accessing a variable. Not quoting the variable value when it contains spaces. Using the same variable name in different scopes. Try this next. Try defining a variable with a space in its value and see how it affects the script. Pro tip. Use meaningful variable names and follow a consistent naming convention to make your scripts readable. Loops. Command/example. Breaking it down. Bash has two types of loops, for and while. The for loop iterates over a list of values, while the while loop continues to execute as long as a condition is true. Common mistakes. Not using the correct syntax for the loop. Not initializing the loop variable. Not updating the loop variable. Try this next. Try using a for loop to iterate over a list of files and perform an action on each file. Pro tip. Use sec command to generate a sequence of numbers for the for loop. Conditionals. Command/example. Breaking it down. Bash has two types of conditionals, if and case. The if statement checks a condition and executes a block of code if it's true. The case statement checks a value against a list of patterns and executes a block of code if it matches. Common mistakes. Not using the correct syntax for the conditional. Not quoting the variable value. Not using the equals operator for string comparison. Try this next. Try using a case statement to handle different options for a script. Pro tip. Use instead of for conditional expressions to avoid word splitting and file name expansion. Functions. Command/example. Breaking it down. Bash functions are blocks of code that can be executed multiple times from different parts of a script. Functions can take arguments and return values. Common mistakes. Not defining the function before calling it. Not using the correct syntax for the function definition. Not passing arguments to the function. Try this next. Try defining a function that takes an argument and uses it to perform an action. Pro tip. Use functions to organize your code and make it reusable. Error handling. Command/example. Breaking it down. Bash provides several ways to handle errors, including trap and checking the exit status of a command.